Okay, I think this is better. I think this is better. Better because I don't know what was the issue. Now better. I will talk here and let Prem come. Correct? Let Prem come and see, rather than me coming here, me going to his live session, let him come to my live session. Okay? And this is the first time I'm doing this. And why I'm doing this, I don't know. He told me, why don't you come live? I said, okay, I will try. And during this lockdown, we are doing a lot of things which we were never doing before. But I'm happy because lot of new things we are exploring. And I think after this lockdown is over, then also we can continue lot of good things. Like every day in the night, I am doing 3-hour session with my working team. And it's like a cutting chai session actually, and discussing all those things which generally we are not able to discuss otherwise actually when we are too busy and all. So everybody from 7 to 10 is joining my association in the night, and then we are teaching a lot of things. And I think a lot of people are asking something. I don't know how to operate this. Okay, there's a okay. How to do business in this COVID time? This is by Mastan Manu. Okay, how to do business? When I started business, that time there was no WhatsApp. Facebook just started actually. BlackBerry was there, but still was not in that much use, other than corporate, other than for emails and all. And can you imagine how we used to communicate with the entire team? So guys, it is, first of all, we have to understand that few things which are not in our control and few things which are in our control, right? Okay. So rather than thinking about things which are not in our control, we have to first start thinking, are we doing things which are there in our control actually, right? Rather than thinking, how do I do this, right? In fact, I am enjoying so much during this time. First 2 days I was also not knowing what to do, how to do, right? But now I got so much of work that in last 1 or 2 years I was not working that much, because I can connect with so many people. I can pick up a small team and conduct a daily training session for 2-3 hours. Basic training actually, not motivation only, right? Okay, basic training, how to talk to people, a book reading session, a lot of things which sounds very small, but when we start doing that compulsorily, you will see the difference actually, right? And that's what exactly is making a lot of difference. I think I am getting time to rebuild the foundation or repair the foundation once again during this lockdown time, right? So don't think how to do the business during lockdown. Think about what you can do. Okay, don't think about what you cannot do. And you will find few things which will be amazing, and even after lockdown you will continue doing these things, right? So how to discipline my mind? So many questions coming. How to arrange money at this quarantine time? Okay, tell me one thing. How to arrange this money? Suppose if something happens to some of our loved ones and there is an emergency for the treatment, okay, are you going to think, oh my God, this is a quarantine time, I cannot arrange money? You will do anything and everything, right? So first of all, take this out from your mind that this is not normal. This is new normal. By now we should be normal already, right? And this is what exactly we are doing. Understand, don't think about problem, think about what maximum you can do, okay? And keep doing that, because few things which will not be in your control, right? In last 11 years of my journey, there were a lot of things which were not there in my control, but I kept doing those things which were there in my control, which kept me busy. And because of that busy schedule, I had no time to think about those things which are not there in my control, right? Okay. Why don't you come to India, right? Okay, I can come to India, that is not a problem. But the only thing is that you have so many uplines over there. Okay, first learn everything from them and reach to a position wherein you reach to a position where I can give you some new learnings actually, right? Otherwise, it's not leveraging, right? Because if they are handling India, I need to handle other places, right? Okay, because they cannot leave the team and come out, right? Okay, otherwise, what if I come there? There will be nothing. People will only go crazy, and I will not be able to add any value. And I'm a person who prefer to be there on the ground. And on India, I don't need to be on the ground because there are so many champions who are already built by us. They are already working in India, right? That's the reason, right? How to translate fear of people into strength of this critical situation? You make it your strength, people will follow, right? You cannot change people. You have to change people. You keep doing things, you will get some people like you, right? Okay, if you start changing the world, it will not change, right? You change yourself, you keep doing things, you keep thinking right, automatically you will find people like you, right? If you are fearful, you will find people who are fearful, right? Then how to make my mind disciplined, right? First of all, you have to ask you why you need to be disciplined. Why exactly you need to be disciplined? If you are not disciplined, that means you don't see the consequences of not being disciplined, right? If the consequences are not too bad, you will not, because it is difficult, right? But if the consequences are very bad, that if you don't get disciplined, then you will become disciplined, right? Nobody can make you disciplined. It is a decision, internal decision. Many people know, okay, working out, going for exercise is good for health. But how many people do? Not too many, right? But if same people are told by the doctor, if you don't walk for half an hour, you will die, correct? Then they will start doing. So it's all about the sense of urgency. It's all about what will happen if I don't change myself. So that's what exactly will change. How we will close prospect on the Zoom? How means, first of all, from the mind, remove this, you're on the Zoom, right? I am doing presentations on Zoom. My job is to show it to them, right? My job is to show it to them. My job is to tell my heart out, okay? From my heart, rest is up to them, right? You keep doing, and you will get few people actually, right? And we are getting those few people like that. If you keep thinking how to do that, it will never happen actually, right? Okay, so tell me one thing. If you know how to ride a bicycle, if you think too much, how will I balance after riding a bicycle? You will never be able to ride the bicycle, right? You know, when we were small, what we were doing, we used to take the bicycle, jump on the bicycle. Even if we fall, it's okay, but eventually we will learn to ride, right? Same way, keep doing it, you will learn to do it. I'm also learning to do it because this is also first time for me, right? But the point is, I'm not thinking how to do it. I'm just doing and trying out, right? How many people come across who are doing for other companies? Should I quit them? Many people come across whoever doing for other company. Should I quit them? I don't understand this question. Many people come across, I don't know what exactly this question is. I think maybe you have to frame it properly so that I can understand. Okay. How to maintain consistency? I already answered. We need your basic learning in Insta or YouTube or VTube. Is it possible? I'm already doing it on Zoom with some teams, with your leaders, and they will start doing it for you as well, right? Okay. Unfortunately, we don't have anyone to record. Nobody can enter in the house. Nobody can go out of the house. That's why otherwise I was planning to record few sessions. But understand, only listening to the sessions will not change you. Practicing will change you, right? So that's why exactly I told all your uplines to start practicing basic skills on the Zoom actually, right? Okay. And then, what is your mantra for closing? Don't look for closing. Keep sharing. You will get closing on your own. That is my mantra. Bhai, you talk about give your 100% and I don't exactly get to know how to give 100%. Watch my video on YouTube on 100%. You will understand what exactly I'm talking about. 100%, give 100% means simple. Whatever is told in the welcome, are you doing that 100%? 100% means 100%, right? Not 99.9%. Like for example, everything actually, right? Attending system, reading all the books for 5 times at least, watching all DVDs, name list, dream list, everything actually, right? Okay, and then people are not taking ownership what I need to do. You take ownership and you keep moving, you will get people like you, right? If you want people to take ownership, they will not take. They will take ownership when they want to take. Until the time you don't reach out to them, keep doing yourself, right? Okay, tomorrow if all of you stop working actually, right? I'm not going to crib and cry. I will still continue doing. I'll find somebody who's like me, right? So that's it. How you keep yourself pushing after every challenge. My dream is so strong that pushes me automatically, right? I'm not a person who can sit back and cry and crib and complain. I only look at one thing. What is there in my hand? Am I doing that 100%? Right? That's it. How you keep yourself pushing after every challenge. Challenge is a milestone. I think every challenge evolve us as a person actually, right? So I think challenge means what, right? Tomorrow if, oh my god, these are basic questions actually, Why Club Velocity is not fully qualified yet, stuck for some more UVs. Can we please extend the same time? Okay, talk to Shipra. I am not involved into all this. How do you do M2 financials on Zoom? Okay. There are 1,000 ways of doing it. Okay. Buy a whiteboard, keep it in front of the camera and do it on the camera, right? That's how we are doing it. I don't know. My whiteboard is still there. Kavita is using that upstairs. Okay. So that okay, so that whiteboard is there, and that's how exactly we need to do this time. How more about edifying this industry as simple. I only realized very big things, or I express my gratitude to the God that we are in this business because every industry is bleeding, not just because they are not able to do the turnover. Of course, we are also facing few issues because there are few things which are not in our control, like banking issues and all, right? So obviously, but at least we are happy because in our business there is no expenses. If you start any other business, if you open a shop or a factory or anything else, you have to pay employees, you have to pay rent whether business is happening or not, right? So at least this is the only industry where even if your business is not happening, you are not going into minus, right? You are there at ground zero but not into minus, because the business is not eating more and more money, it is only eating time, right? Now how to edify the industry, I told you already. The people can't believe it is QNet business. I am telling the truth, they can't believe. Keep telling, someone will believe, some will, some won't. So what? Someone is waiting, so work. How to do business? How to do business? I already answered this. What are all things I should have to talk to the prospect at this time? Read Business School once again. Okay, every page. Talk to yourself first and then talk the same thing with your prospects, right? Very simple. Closing is difficult in this time. By how can I handle that? Show more plans and some will close, right? What to do? how to give belief to the prospect as I have not made money in the business, right? It's not about how much have you made, it's about can you see how much you can make. Be in highlights, okay? Be in highlights as if you're already there, and if someone is asking how much have you made, when people used to ask me when I was making less money, I used to tell very simple, right? I know whatever effort I was putting in, I got money for that, right? And I know where I'm heading and how much I can make actually, how much is the potential, right? Now the point is not what I am making, the point is that can you see the potential and can you grab that potential for yourself? How do I keep my hope up that one day my business will be successful? Business will not be successful. You cannot have a hope, you have to work it out, right? Okay, business चलता नहीं है, चलाना पड़ता है, right? चलाना भी नो, अगर आप चलाना चाहोगे तो चलेगा, उड़ा अगर आप चलाना चाहोगे तो चलेगा, उड़ाना चाहोगे तो उड़ेगा, राइट? तो उड़ेगा, राइट? सो उड़ा भी सकते हैं उसको, बट अपने आप कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Our closing also happening on Zoom. Thanks. Yes, see, some people are already closing. I have plans in South Africa and Europe how to proceed with the plan with the language barrier, right? Okay. South Africa and Europe, you are going to do a plan and you will sign up. Who will go and support those people, right? So first think about the support, right? बच्चा पैदा करने के पहले उसको बड़ा करने की औकात होनी चाहिए हमारी, right? Okay, otherwise बच्चा पैदा नहीं करते हम. So there is something called family planning. Same way there is something called market planning, right? So don't go all over there. How to close someone? Sir, we would love to attend more live sessions. If live is so difficult, I seriously, oh God, bhai, how to make a map for weekly plan? Map for weekly plan. बना लो मैप, बना पेन और पेपर यूज करके बना लो. हाउ टू कीप कंसिस्टेंसी इन प्रेजेंटेशन. खाना मत खाओ, जितने प्रेजेंटेशन उतनी रोटी. आज एक भी प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं तो एक भी रोटी नहीं, खलास. So 1 chapati, 1 presentation. 2 chapati, 2 presentation, right? No presentation, no chapati. Then you will do more presentation, right? Nobody agreed to give money, but still plan is going on. So we have to wait. Don't be desperate. Keep doing it. You will get one sign up and your confidence will be somewhere else, right? Okay. So don't think about, oh, people are waiting. You keep moving. At least you will become better in showing plans during this time, so that when the lockdown is over, you will go out with more skills actually, right? How can cold contact believe us in view of money at this corona situation? Whether corona situation or no corona situation, cold contacts are always same, right? You have to increase the skill. You need to find more people. Some will believe, right? Okay. Difficult to work with married and above. Oh my God, difficult to work with married and above 35. Is it difficult to work with married people and age above 35? तो सारे बच्चे लेके आए क्या? These are the people who are above 35 who are serious in life, right? If they are serious, they will work. The point is whether you can give them belief or not, right? You can give them belief or not. You can hold their hand or not, right? Okay, so. In fact, I feel they are the best profiles. Can you please share your early time of the business experience? Go to YouTube, my videos of all the events. You will see my early days, right? I don't want to waste time and repeat the same thing which is available on the YouTube, right? Okay, when you started, what was the scenario of the business? Scenario? There was no WhatsApp, there was no BlackBerry, Facebook was very new, no social networking. Still we did it, right? Correct? So scenario will keep changing. You have to change. Then only business will change, right? How to find my why? How to find my why? Okay, I'll tell you. हिमालय पे जाना, वहाँ पे ऊपर चौथी चोटी पे एक पेड़ है. Okay, that tree where yellow flowers are there, right? Okay, pluck one flower, okay, and shove it under yours. You will get your why actually, right? फालतू के सवाल मत पूछो यार. Why don't you come to India? I already mentioned this, right? Okay, how can we use Zoom? Already mentioned this, right? I'm setting goals bi-weekly increase. I'm not complete that goal means I'm lose. Okay, keep setting goals, keep correcting yourself, keep setting goals, keep correcting yourself. Slowly and steadily you will learn how to set the goal and achieve that also, right? ओके एक बार साइकिल में चढ़े गिर गए, दूसरी बार साइकिल में चढ़े गिर गए, तीसरी बार साइकिल में चढ़े गिर गए, तो चढ़ना छोड़ दिया क्या? चढ़ते गए ना, तभी तो सीख गए साइकिल चलाना, फिर हाथ छोड़ के भी चलाने लगे, राइट? Sir, I am poor. I am doing small job. I believe my friends still not make money what I do. मतलब नहीं समझा. I don't understand this. You know, you are poor means what? Okay, poor by not having enough money, still better than poor from mind actually, right? Don't be poor from your mind, right? You know, have a rich mindset so that you will earn more money and you will come out of the poor mentality also, right? Okay, prospect does nakhra after coming to plan, after knowing all. So kya? So go to the next guy. Go to the next guy. Okay, if you want to get married and you see 5 girls and all 5 say no, are you going to stay bachelor all your life? You will go and see more girls, na? I'm doing last 1 year, sir, but not work out, so I'm negative. Now what I do? Be positive. How can I create requirement? What is this requirement? I don't know. How can we create requirements in their life? Okay, guys, I want you guys to ask yourself one question. Check yourself. Business School, how many times have you read it? How many times? So I want you to read Business School, prepare the video on what you understood from Business School, right? In your own words. Okay? In your own words. Business School में से क्या क्या सीखा है तो समझ में आएगा whether that book has gone in your head or not, right? And for skills, read questions are the answers. Okay? And practice that. Reading is not enough. Okay, I'll tell you, this business or success, you know, this is a game actually, you know that. The more you play, the more you win. The more you win, the more you successfully start playing actually, right? Okay. So it never starts from success. You have to play more. When you keep playing more and more, the more you win actually, right? When you keep winning more and more, you start playing more successfully actually, right? Because you learn how to play. Okay. Some of my DR become sleeping IR. It's my fault that I can't get them up. What else I can do? Do more DRs, create a massive success for yourself. All the sleeping IRs will become active again. How should we schedule our day with maximum output? Input. Maximum input. Okay. We have to throw more seeds in the farm to have more crop, right? Don't focus on the crop. Crop is the output. Input is nothing but your action, right? Okay. Watch all my fortnight videos again, dhyan se. Not to get impressed, but to find where you're going wrong actually, right? And keep changing those small things. In my fortnight videos, everything was mentioned, right? After closure, my friend are not speaking to me properly even if I keep connect with them. No problem. They were never your friends actually, right? Find new friends. Sachin bhai, how to push for pending closures in this time? Talk to them and tell them the reality and check them. How to be a doer rather than thinker? Always be busy. Never sit idle. so that you don't have time to think. Okay, how do I organize myself in this time? Buy an organizer. Start writing that, right? Okay. Oh my God, so many questions still waiting. New questions. How build organization in different markets? Learn to build in your market, and same thing you have to do in every market, right? Okay, first one market where you live, then think about other markets. एक बार बच्चा पैदा हुआ ना तो बार बार कर सकते हैं, पहले नहीं सोचने का बार बार अगली अलग अलग जगह जाके कैसे बच्चा पैदा करने का. हर मार्केट में बच्चा पैदा वैसे ही होता है, वही काम करना पड़ता है. भाई, हाउ टू अप्रोच पीपल ऑन सोशल मीडिया फॉर प्रोस्पेक्टिंग. Okay, this business, see more people, talk to more people, not about the business, but normally without any agenda. When you talk to more and more people without any agenda, you will find some gaps in their life. Please don't go out and do prospecting as if you are going out for hunting actually with a gun, right? Please understand. Talk to more people, talk to more people, talk to more people, because that will make you a better networker. That will give you better skills. You will become better. As I said, keep playing, keep playing, keep playing, play more, play more, play more, play more, play more. Then you will get result more actually, right? You keep playing, keep playing, keep playing, then you get result, right? Okay? Then you keep playing more successfully after result, right? Okay? Sachin sir, I'm doing business past 2 years. I'm maintained 24/7 in business mode, and I want to lead by example. So lead by example. How you keep yourself excited till now? Because my life is exciting. I love my life, and there is no reason for not being excited. Okay, if you have one reason, somebody who's writing this Basilica Anthony, right? Okay, check your hands, legs, head, ear, everything. Okay, सारे हाथ पर सही सलामत है ना? Is that not a good enough reason to be excited, right? Be excited about that. God will give other things automatically, right? I'm not able to achieve my weekly target. What should I do? Keep trying, keep pushing. Because if you keep trying the same way, it's the same result will come, right? So you have to find gaps and fill those gaps. How to connect with my seniors like site head managers and previous colleagues. How to connect means connect, baat karo, talk to them, talk to them, talk to them, talk to them. That's it. Many people having about product being overpriced generally handle this, right? Okay, do you think the same way? If you think the same way, you cannot handle that, right? Okay, first of all, ask yourself, are you using all the products? If you're using all the products, you will know how it is different and how it is useful and how it is value for money. How to come out from comfort zone. Okay, बेड के ऊपर बिच्छू छोड़ दो, अपने आप कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर आ जाओगे. हाउ टू कीप योर सेल्फ पुशिंग आफ्टर एवरी चैलेंज. ये तो हो गया. आई एम नॉट एबल टू एक्सेल इन क्लोजिंग, ऑब्जेक्शन हैंडलिंग. Nobody can excel without trying enough. Keep doing, keep doing, keep doing, keep doing. You will become better, right? Okay. As I said, this is a game. The more you play, the more you win. The more you win, the more successful you know how to play, right? What kind of attitude I should have to carry during closing? Simple. करेगा तो उसके लिए अच्छी बात है, नहीं करेगा तो भी उसके लिए अच्छा है. मेरा क्या जाता है, मैं तो आगे बढ़ने वाला हूँ विथ हिम और विदाउट हिम. That's what should be, no? Ultimately, your job is to show the plan and try your best. After that, it is up to God and him, right? If he's done good karma, God will give him brain or a wisdom to take decision. If his karma is bad, he will have to get stuck into that, go to work, come back home for a longer period of time. How to build digital trust with prospects. Digital trust, my goodness, such a big word, right? पहले normal trust तो build कर लें भाई. What can we do as to have VP Sachin come to Sydney, Australia? Okay, पहले तो corona. The corona need to finish first, then only I can come to Australia or anywhere, right? When you gonna? I'm going to come to Australia, by the way. Yesterday only I spoke to somebody. I'm going to start with him, right? When you are going to start Infinity Fortnite message, I'm going to start once the corona is over, because right now there is no one to record. Everybody is scared and I don't want any unwanted person to come to my house. What have you planned for next 6 months? What have you planned for next 6 months? About what? I planned a lot of things, right? A lot of things. I want to start my workout. I'm building a new house. I'm building a new team. I'll be building a new country. A lot of things. But it's not important what is my plan. The plan is what is your plan for next 6 months, right? You know, how to achieve that. Work. काम करो. दुनिया में हाँ तो काम करो प्यारे. हाथ जोड़कर सबको सलाम करो प्यारे. ओके, हर आदमी को काम करना पड़ता है. How to maintain my zone. My question. Okay, I'm preparing one churan actually and one goli. I will distribute that churan once it is done. Okay, वो चूरन चाट लेना, सब अपने अपने जोन में आ जाएंगे वापस. ठीक है. पीपल टोल्ड मी क्यू नेट प्रोडक्ट, बता दिया यार, अब भी तो आंसर दिया. हाउ टू बिल्ड अ सिस्टम ऑनलाइन. मुझे भी नहीं पता. जब मेरे को पता लग जाएगा देन आई विल टेल यू. ओके. आई एम ऑल्सो ट्राइंग. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग एनीबडी, आई एम ट्राइंग माई सेल्फ, राइट? सो यू ऑल्सो ट्राई. करेक्ट. और क्या, एक ही सवाल 25 बार लोगों ने पूछा. व्हाट टू रिप्लाई पीपल व्हेन दे आर नॉट रेडी टू अंडरस्टैंड बिजनेस. व्हाट टू रिप्लाई पीपल व्हेन दे आर नॉट रेडी टू अंडरस्टैंड बिजनेस. लीव देम. Sir, why maximum people hate network marketing in India? Not in India, in the world. People hate everything which is new in this world. You know what? As a networker, we are rebel. Okay? दुनिया में इतने लोगों ने 50 years they work and they are still broke, right? And somebody coming and telling that 50 years तुम झक मार रहे थे, आके 5 साल काम करो and your generation can be secure. Obviously people will not digest that fact, no? Correct? When franchising started, that time people were complaining about that also. When insurance started, people were complaining about that also. So again, understand, it's not about when e-commerce started, people were complaining that also, right? When Demat account started, for share trading and all, people were complaining about that also, right? I don't know whether you were born in that time or not, right? I've seen all these phases. So don't look at people, okay, who are masses. Look at people who are trendsetters actually, right? They always do things which are not exactly approved by other people, right? So initially people laugh at you, then after that they object, okay? And then they accept, right? Okay? So people laugh in the beginning. तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने, they laughed at us. It didn't work because we grew further, right? Okay, this industry grew. Then now they are objecting actually, right? We continue doing, then they will start accepting actually. Third phase is acceptance, right? Okay. Third phase is acceptance, right? Okay. My dream car doesn't matter, man. Car is a car. 4 पहिए हैं उसमें और एक वो है. Car is too small thing to dream about, right? Okay. You will understand. It's just a thing. It's just a thing. Correct? My dream car is my mind. My mind is my dream vehicle actually, right? Which can take me anywhere, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3 plan, but only one closing. 1 point. Can you please छोड़ दो business, छोड़ दो. Tell what expect. Can you please tell what exact duplication means? Duplication means not duplicating mechanics only. Duplication means when you start thinking the same way like an upline, right? When you start thinking like me, you become my duplicate actually, right? Mindset duplication, right? Okay. Contacts in new place where I don't know the language, right? Okay. Go and see more people, that's it. Go and see more people. घर पे बैठ के कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Nothing will happen sitting at home, right? I mean to say, sitting at home means now, majburi mein you are sitting at home, right? But when this lockdown was not there, then also were you doing that enough, correct? Is casual time with upline is very important. Of course, very important. Then only you can duplicate the mindset, right? Okay. How you keep motivated. Working team on Zoom every day 3 hours. Every day 3 hours, right? Okay. Ego is issue in IR and upline. What should I do? If there is a ego issue between IR and upline, that is their problem. Why you coming in between them? What keeps you motivated every time? What keeps you motivated? I'm not motivated in life. I'm inspired. I have a lot of inspiration in my life. I look at them and I get inspired. Richard Branson is my inspiration. Okay, Bill Gates is my inspiration. Jack Ma is my inspiration. Dhirubhai Ambani is my inspiration. These are the people who started from zero nowhere, and they reached somewhere. So when I look at myself, I also started from zero. I reached somewhere today actually, right? But still, why to stop when they can reach at and become billionaire? Then why to stop at millions, right? And that keeps me excited, right? You know, and I love to set new goals and achieve it. May not be for money, but for kick. Okay, my goal always gives me excitement. Next goal, 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 right? Be it a health goal, be it is a fitness goal, or it is a monetary goal, or it is a house goal, or it is a traveling goal, anything. Next goal. There is no time in my life when I never had a goal. Always need to have a goal. Even if you are earning billions, you need to have a next goal, right? It can be spiritual goal also, right? How your industry is working, as currently everything is closed. Best answer for this question. You know the answer, Baba. Why you are asking me? This industry, because people buy online, company ship the product, we don't have to go to office, we don't have to have employees, and internet is there to do, right? That's how exactly we are working. At least we are doing something. Many people are doing nothing actually, right? They will go out more unhealthy actually. Their weight will increase, their fights will increase at home because they have nothing else to do, right? But you have an opportunity to utilize this time. Go more on live calls, go more on team trainings, get yourself trained by appliance, train your team, okay, talk to more people, do more presentation online. Subah se leke raat tak hi kar sakte hain, right? So what will happen? You will be focused then, okay? You will not increase weight, you will not, you will not think negative because you are busy doing positive things, right? How to manage my business if I'm working with one organization? What do you mean by that? Everybody is working with some organization. I was also an employee when I started the business. From day one I was not full-timer, right? So we have to push ourselves in the night time, after the working hours, on the weekends and all. Bhai, how can I retain my new sign up for lifetime? Lifetime. Okay, मेरे को भी नहीं पता यार इसके बारे में. But क्यों sir? Why you want to retain? Why? You retain yourself in this business. Whatever God जिसको चाहता होगा ना, वो अपने आप retain हो जाएगा. What is my next goal? My next goal is very simple. I want to earn $1 million only from interest of my investments, excluding the QNet income. Excluding QNet income, okay, $1 million, which is basically coming from the money which is kept in the bank, okay, as an interest. And so basically that will take care of life. QNet income will go into charity, will go into startup projects and a lot of other things, right? Okay. For that, one need to have $10 to $12 million in the bank account, liquid cash. Okay. Fortnite update stopped. I will start again. A lot of traveling was there. I know, do you know that I'm also inconsistent in few things like Fortnite update. I will start again. Okay. How to convince parents they are not stop supporting. Read business school, read questions are the answers properly, and use that information to talk to them. How to be at association type zone at home. I am in association with daily 100 to 200 people on the Zoom actually, right? Every day for 3 to 4 hours, right? 3 to 4 hours with one team, and then at least 2-3 more calls with many 20-30 leaders actually, right? So what's the problem? That is association. Better association rather. Association में लोग इधर उधर घूमते रहते हैं. Why I'm not comfortable to people? What should I do? Be comfortable. Learn to be comfortable. Over a period of time, you will be. Okay? I want to sound arrogant to anyone even after they start saying stupid things like internet पे ये लिखा है वो लिखा है and all that. Keep moving, Baba. Why are you listening? Okay? How to stop rumors? आज तक इतने सालों में कोई स्टॉप नहीं कर पाया. How can you stop? Stop getting rumors affecting you, right? Correct? Rumors will not stop. You stop getting affected, then it will stop for you. Bhai, what is your secret of success? Work, more work. How to push myself? How to push yourself? कुत्ता लगा दो तुम्हारे पीछे, बड़ा वाला, भागोगे अपने आप तो पुश हो जाओगे अपने आप. ठीक है ना? How you be so positive like proton positive. अच्छा हाँ, न्यू याद आ गया मेरे को, फिजिक्स याद आ गया. What keeps you so positive? My goals, my life is so amazing, man. Why not to be positive, right? हाथ पैर सही सलामत है ना लाइफ में, घर वाले सही सलामत है ना, तो एक्साइटेड रहो. गॉड दिखता है आपको ऊपर, एक्साइटेड हो तो बाकी चीजें अपने आप देता है. हाउ टू पुट माई विजन ऑलवेज इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी एट एवरी मोमेंट. हाँ, रख लो यार हाथ में कुछ तो ऐसे, मतलब if downline become negative to me and how long I try to make him or her to feel comfortable. Never give up on people, never give in to yourself. Be there whenever they want. Don't stop for them. How to put my vision always in front of वापस वही question. When can we move to start new market? Is there any qualification? Go and listen my fortnight video. All these answers are given there, right? In detail. सुन के ना इंप्रेस नहीं होने का, अप्लाई करना पड़ता है. इंप्रेस हो गए तो उसका सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलता. अप्लाई करोगे, पहली बार नहीं मिलेगा, दूसरी बार नहीं मिलेगा, तीसरी बार नहीं मिलेगा, चौथी बार नहीं मिलेगा, फिर मिलने लगेगा. So keep playing. The more you play, the more you win. Again I'm telling, right? क्या है ये? What is your hobbies? My hobby is to make money. My hobby is to keep new goal and achieve that. That is what exactly is my hobby. My hobby is to keep playing this game for all my life. That is my hobby. My hobby is to spend time in different places in the world with my leaders, with people actually who worked hard, and chill out with them, right? These are my hobbies. My hobby is to build new market. My hobby is to play pool. My hobby is just to lie down in front of TV and do nothing actually, and never worried about anything, right? Okay. What keeps you going on daily basis, and how is your daily routine looks like? Right now, Corona time, I am maximum busy. Otherwise, I chill out for all day and work only 2-3 hours in the evening, right? Mantra to do business in Guruba. People who have money in the bank are really showing unnecessary posture and asking stupid questions. Move forward. Money in the bank is not a big thing. Money in the mind is a big thing, right? Okay? So, सर पे दिमाग पे नहीं चढ़ना चाहिए पैसा. बाकी सब ठीक है. Okay, how to qualify velocity by? Do DRs. Do more DRs. Request on my team, everyone is waiting to see you. How to qualify velocity? Work, do more DR. How to closing situation? I already spoke about it. What is the difference between express एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन. एक्सप्रेस मतलब जो दिल में है वो एक्सप्रेस करो. एक्सप्लेनेशन मतलब एक्सप्लेनेशन टेक्निकल हो गया, एक्सप्रेस इमोशनल हो गया, राइट. ओके. एक्सप्लेनेशन दिमाग से होता है, एक्सप्रेशन दिल से होता है, राइट. व्हाट टू डू व्हेन डाउनलाइन स्टॉप लिसनिंग टू अपलाइन. इफ यू आर द अपलाइन, you are the upline or what, right? Become successful in front of them, they will start listening. What is the difference between express? बता दिया मैंने express और explanation के बीच का difference है. How to remain excited when not happy inside? You cannot be excited. You have to be happy inside, right? Okay? Or every time you feel low, check only one thing in life. Is there anything which is happening good? ओके. हाथ पैर सही सलामत है, घर वाले सही सलामत है, करेक्ट. घर के सर के ऊपर छत है, खाने को 2 रोटी मिलती है, करेक्ट. बहुत सारे लोगों को वो भी नहीं मिलती है. उसके लिए एक्साइटेड हो, हैप्पी हो. अगर उसके लिए एक्साइटेड और हैप्पी हो गए तो बाकी चीज़ें ओके, बाकी चीज़ें अपने आप हैप्पी हो जाएंगी, करेक्ट. बट जब हम ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं देखते हैं और हम जो नहीं हो रहा वो देखते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली ग्रैटिट्यूड प्लीज. Is it suggested to start new country with our directs? Oh, freak, man. I have a plan to show at 4:30. It's already 4:27. Guys, I love you, okay? And you guys are important. But I committed somebody that I will do the plan on Zoom. So I have to go and do the plan, right? Okay? ज्ञान नहीं बांटना है मुझे, काम करना है. तुम लोग भी ज्ञान मत लो यहाँ से, जाके काम करो, किताब पढ़ो, बुक्स पढ़ो, ट्रेनिंग्स करो Zoom पे. अपलाइन नहीं करता होगा तो उसको बोलो, नहीं करता होगा तो उसको बोलो करो, ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट करो, करेक्ट. एंड डू थिंग्स सो दैट इवन ड्यूरिंग दिस क्वारंटाइन टाइम, इवन इफ यू डोंट मेक गुड मनी, एटलीस्ट यू गो आउट. जब ये खत्म होगा ना तो एक नया आदमी निकल के जाएगा घर से बाहर. वही सेम आदमी नहीं जाएगा निकल के बाहर. You will go as a new person with more skill, more conviction, more confidence actually, right? Okay, so utilize this time to build the foundation. Okay, bye. I have to go and I have to do my plan. Okay, and my battery is also low. I have to first charge and go to Zoom session. Okay, bye guys, I love you. I know I was very fast in giving answers, but बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे नहीं समझाई जा सकती हैं. Qualify for LS, qualify for LDC, qualify for CTCs, and you will learn everything actually, right? Okay, qualify for these things and you will learn everything there. We can discuss in long, in लंबे समय तक all these things actually. I can explain in a better way, right? Okay, ये प्रेम ने मुझे फंसा दिया यहाँ पे और खुद भाग गया. Okay, bye, see you, love you guys. Okay.